Alright, so, this is kind of new. I put my joysticks here real quick, move my keyboard up, move these, armrest things over. But today we are back on FS15, doing a little login with a joystick camera. Joystick camera is not going to be in every video, by the way. I just wanted to show you guys what it's like and see what I'm thinking. Future? Well, for future videos, not for the future. And try and use my webcam more since I spent, well, me and my mom spent the money on it and made the deal. So, yeah. Might as well use it since I have it. And I don't want to do like something plain old, like, I'm gonna say just regular face cam. There's tons of people who do it. I just want to be different. Even though people do joystick cam and wheel cam, it's still not as common. You can see like how my controls are set up too if you want to do it. And you can see kind of like a behind the scenes kind of show, I guess. But yeah, we're doing a little chipping. Trying to get this one piece here. Over something closer. But yeah, later on, or soon, I hope, get into the processor. And process some wood. That as well. Where are you going with this? I need to prepare this one so I can get my hand like that, or so I can get my camera. But yeah, this will be test run on this. just want to say sorry about this small video on both of the cameras because my OBS isn't working right now for some dumb reason, which it was before, and I gotta figure out what's going on with it. And like I said in the last live stream that I did, I'm switching over to Twitch. I'm putting the Twitch in the Twitch, my social medias in there, so you guys can have that and see it and go on and all that. Because I'm not doing YouTube for live streaming anymore. Also, Twitch has better streaming qualities for me. So yeah. Smoke particle can be fixed. I really do want it fixed, but it's kind of getting in my way. Stop. I know. So to kind of keep this commentary up, I'm just gonna say some stuff and try to think of stuff because commentary, you know, if you're a YouTuber, there's usually, especially if you're a smaller YouTuber like I am, there's not really much to talk about until you get bigger and there's more people who are interacting with you, which means there's more to talk about, more to do, more that you're suggesting, all that stuff. Plus, once you get bigger, you have people watching, following, all that stuff, and you're going to be kind of in a rhythm. Unlike where we are on this channel, where we're kind of just doing, well, we don't really have a series up yet, because it's kind of in the middle. I like to do longer series, and I'm trying to get into the farming and walking for you guys. So if you guys can comment below and say farming or logging, or what series you would like, I would put up this series for you guys if you want. The thing about doing one FS17 of Emerald Valley logging. That kind of stuff. Maps though. Emerald Valley I haven't gotten to test out, but I'm hoping it's good because it looks really good. So yeah, you'll see a thing on there. I might get together my the interior map. Get that done. Because the interior I have several versions of too. So that would be good, but one is private, so you guys can't have it sadly. Plus it's a good map, so it's not good. Yeah. Alright, but might get another video out tomorrow or two. Cause yeah, we really do need to get my lawn care series up. But as right now, where I live at least, it hasn't been snowing all winter by any means, but there's still rain, cold weather, grass not growing, all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like crappy, just sit, nothing, not make money, kind of blah. That's where I would go. Much. If I wasn't in school, because of the snow, it never was enough. And when we were out of school for it, they were calling for like 18 inches or something like that. But it didn't happen. And the other day that I had out of school because of the snow, they were saying it was going to be, oh, this is going to be 30 inches of snow. Probably you should batten down the hatches, get ready for it. It's coming down. Where we only got 3. And the other storm we only got 4. So that's pretty much it. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. We barely got 3. We got, I believe, 2, probably, in the other storm. And those were the only ones that I actually did anything. And that was just getting my grandmother and myself out of the house. Even then, that only took me like 15 minutes. People. My grandmother's driveway is pretty large, and I don't have to do mine. But I have to do all this stuff. So. Yeah. Emerald Valley, expect that very soon. Might actually start. So yeah, I'm gonna pre-record it tonight for you guys. Upload it tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this tonight, so you'll see it right after it's posted. It's uploaded. I might have to edit some stuff out. There's also, yeah, I am trying to find an editing software. If you know an editing software that doesn't mess up your file format, that works well and is free for the PC, not the Mac. Well, it could be PC for the Mac, but it has to be for PC because I run Windows. So, for that to be done, I have to have a PC version instead of a Mac. That's not much. Even though I have a GTX 730 and i7. No. Yeah. I'm also thinking about buying a motherboard in the future. Hopefully. A motherboard and a graphics card as well. Hopefully I just get the graphics card in Christmas or my birthday. Or for something special. Because I really would like a small graphics update. I don't want something crazy like a 1060 already. I just want something small like GTX 730 by MSI. That I can get it small, $150, and have it still be worthwhile. You know what I mean? My friend has one of those, and he's killing it. You might have seen him comment on some of my videos. Shout out to him. Shout out to Gears Mario. Oh, by the way, follow him, subscribe to him. He's got some funny videos, funny content. Yeah. Subscribe to him. He's a good help. He plays FS, Gary's Mod, Rigging Rods, Minecraft, some other stuff. I forget what other stuff he does. But he uploads real life stuff too. I'm trying to get into the habit of that and trying to get a setup for that that's better than my phone. Because I want, come in summer, I'm gonna be doing some stuff besides gaming. So, and my mom's planning on taking me a ton of places this summer that's like different and new and just to explore really. So I'm gonna like show you that stuff. Remember like going statewide for stuff too. So we're going all around New Jersey, go around that stuff. Hoping I can get some video of that stuff for you guys. How do you think you guys would like the cool places like that? Let me see. Damn it. I just love this feature. Really? to work. So we can finish running this. I do have to get us. Now we're getting to the bottom of this pile. 2 minutes. I'm gonna finish up what's in reach. Call her quits and go look at other video and get this up. Hopefully my FPS works good. I'm hoping that it is. I got a considerable amount of FPS in here. And I'm not quite sure how it is. Yeah, actually trying to, because I'm not really watching it. Whoa, the heck? Still in the butt. Finish this up. Yeah, we can't grab that. Got that. Seriously, 0%? I wasted all those wood chips. Oh. Oh, alright guys, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like the new camera. Don't forget to comment if you want a farming or logging series. I do want to do a logging game because logging is fun for me. And I like being able to have it around and do all that stuff. It really is fun. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys later.